Hello, I'm Nicola. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a character kicking a ball and a ball bouncing. So here we go. This is the first one. Now, this character is kicking the ball very lightly on this one. So little movement. The ball is only here, so it's not going all the way in the sky. So we just got little movement, and then this bit is here is just to show that the ball is moving as well. Just makes it look a little bit more action. Then here, because this foot is moving, I put some little flicks because that foot's going to move that way. So I'll just put some little flicks on there. That arm's only going to move very slightly, so I put a flick, one little flick on there. These are really good, these ones, these types of marks. Use them a lot for movement. This leg's moving a little bit more, so above the knee where the leg bends, I put some flicks on that one. So there's the first one. The next one is, I'm going to give the ball a bit more welly on this one. So as you can see, the ball is higher, just above his head. So I've done lines going up towards the ball. Whittle a bit there. You need to get your line, might want to get your line a bit straighter. One tip I noticed when I'm doing these action shots, so I am struggled a little bit, and I think my felt tip is a bit soft. So I think what you might need to do is use something a little bit harder to draw with. I found it easy doing it in pencil, but doing the felt tip wasn't as good. It's got thick lines. Really, I would rather a line going with tapered off at the end. So I think you might be better using a different type of either a drawing pen or a felt tip that's a little bit not soft like the one I've used. So right, so as you notice again, I've got this mark here again that I showed you on the other one, a little bit longer this time. There's action, more action this time, because that knee's going up, that knee's bending down more, the hand's going to move, and I put a couple on there because that arm's going up quite fastly. So these directionals are going up this time rather than a little bit round. So when you're drawing action, the direction goes from where you're starting from. So this is starting from this football boot, and it's going to the object, which is there. So that's that one. And then the ball bouncing on the floor. So this is the impact. This is the floor, the ball. So I've done it bouncing here, and then directions going to the ball. I experimented a little bit with this one. I put some flicks on to show the ball. It's like showing the edge of the ball in the back, and then it shows it like it's moving. So that's where the ball was, and then this is where the ball is now. It's just doing a slow motion. Now, I didn't know which I preferred, in just having 2 flicks or 3. So I'm not sure. I can't decide. So I don't know what you think about that one. So if you, another thing I noticed, which is not as good with the type of pen I use, if you do your action shots thick, fast, away from the starting point, you get a nice tapered bit on the end, and they tend to be more natural, the lines. So I've tried to do that on mine, but I would use, when you're doing it, a pen that's not soft. So thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.